I am the music that you call jazz. It's not my term for the music. Moi, je suis jazz. I am the nigger. I am jazz.
En une poignée d'albums cultes à la fin des 60s, quelques génies dont Archie Shepp ont fait découvrir le jazz aux enfants du Summer of Love. Bande-son de l'Amérique des droits civiques, ces artistes vont accompagner le Black Power. En 69, quand l'Algérie socialiste invite la crème des musiciens panafricanistes, Archie est aux côtés de Nina Simone, Myriam Makeba ou Barry White. « 50 ans plus tard, Archie Shepp navigue toujours entre l'Amérique qu'il a vu naître et la banlieue parisienne. Une vie de révolte commencée en Floride en 1937.
2 years prior to my birth, a man named Reuben Stacy had been lynched. There's a picture of him being burned and a lot of white people around, men, women, and children in a holiday atmosphere. They're having a good time. Those are my roots.
Avant-guerre, Fort Lauderdale vit encore sous le joug de la ségrégation. Fils d'une coiffeuse pour dames et d'un plombier amateur de banjo et de jazz, Archie se découvre très tôt une passion pour le piano, tout en se rêvant comédien. Après le déménagement de ses parents à Philadelphie, au nord des États-Unis, un incident dans un magasin de piano fréquenté par une clientèle blanche bouleverse sa vie.
I would always sort of hide myself in a corner, and I'd find the piano and I'd practice on it, play on it. And one night, a guy, one of the managers of the store, he saw me and he said, "Hey, you're always in here and you never buy anything." He grabbed me by the arm, he pushed me and said, "Get out." And when he did that, I was really afraid and embarrassed because he did it in front of a lot of people. And I pulled my geometry compass out of my pocket. And I said, "If you push me again, I'll kill you." And so he said, he smiled and he said, "So you're going to kill me, huh?" And so he ran into the street and he whistled for the police. And the next thing I knew, I was in the precinct jailhouse.
Archie échappe à la prison grâce à son prof d'anglais. Il se met au saxo et au début des 60s débarque à New York. Il joue alors avec John Coltrane ou Cecil Taylor, ses idoles, avant de sortir des albums sous son propre nom. Le jazz vit alors une révolution.
Before that, the music was all pretty uniform. A tempo would remain the same. If it's fast, or if it's slow, it would be slow. But then with so-called avant-garde music, tempi changed fast, slow, medium, all within the same song. And the themes would change frequently.
La vague free jazz passe même la bossa à la moulinette.
And when she passes, each one she passes goes.
Free jazz has no meaning. What you're talking about is the evolution of African American music. Where I come from, it was called nigger music until the French gave it the name jazz. Well, I mean, for example, if I called, you have French music, Debussy, Ravel, suppose I called that jazz. Would you like that?
La musique d'Archie Shepp entre en résonance avec l'Amérique en colère, celle des 60s, du Vietnam et du Black Power. En 71, après la mort en détention du panthère George Jackson, une mutinerie éclate à la prison d'Attica près de New York. La répression qui s'ensuit laisse 39 morts sur le carreau. Archie signe alors son chef-d'œuvre, Attica Blues, qui rend hommage aux insurgés.
The FBI has visited my home. They wanted to talk to me, but it just happened that I was in Europe at the time, and my wife chased them away. What did they want from me? I hadn't done anything, except that they perhaps thought I was a communist.
Were you a communist?
Well, we won't talk about that.
Très vite, Archie se lasse de la hype du free jazz. Au milieu des 70s, il renoue avec le blues et les harmonies, jouant comme ici avec Duke Ellington.
My mother, before she died, and I made my first record about that time. She said, honey, are you still playing the little tunes that ain't got no melody? So I began to think, you know, if my music doesn't relate to the people who are closest to me, then there's something wrong. And at that point, I began to include more blues standard elements in my music so that I could relate to my own people.
Hey, Mama Rose, you know, we're the victims. What am I gonna say to my sons?
Saxophoniste, dramaturge, producteur, professeur, Archie multiplie les casquettes. On le crédite même d'être l'un des pionniers du slam, pour avoir mis dès 69 l'un de ses poèmes en musique.
It's not here. But I want you to take this ex-cannibal's kiss and turn it into a revolution.
And our mamas, the good white God-fearing women.
En 2018, à 81 ans, Archie Shepp, le passeur, inspire la nouvelle génération, collaborant avec le rappeur français Rossé ou comme ici avec l'américain Mike Ladd à l'entrepôt de Paris.
Let that tide rise again.
I'm not a well-known musician. My music tells my story.